Hello class, today we're going to be working on how is energy converted from one form to another. You need to open up your Google Classroom, and you need to open up in the Google Classroom the virtual lab, how is energy converted from one form to another. You need to open up the virtual lab, and you need to open up the lab sheet that goes with it. I'm going to go ahead and let you pause this while you open those things up, and then go ahead and run it after you're finished. Okay. I want to go over the instructions with you, and then I'll show you how it's done. How is energy converted from one form to another? Energy can be classified into 6 general forms: chemical, mechanical, thermal, light, electrical, and nuclear. Chemical energy is potential energy stored in chemical substance. Gasoline, for instance, has a large amount of stored chemical energy. The chemical energy in gasoline is used to power a car. Mechanical energy is the energy acquired or released from a moving object. Mechanical energy propels a baseball after it has been struck by a bat. Thermal energy is associated with the movement of molecules. It is a type of energy that usually results from the friction caused by molecules rubbing against one another. Thermal energy is produced when you rub your hands together very rapidly. Light energy is a form of electromagnetic energy. Each color of light represents a different amount of electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy also includes X-rays, radio waves, and microwaves. Electrical energy is associated with the movement of electrons. Devices such as televisions, computers, and CD players are operated by this form of energy. Nuclear energy is stored inside the nucleus of an atom. When a nucleus splits, nuclear energy is released as fission. Nuclear energy also released when the nuclei of atoms fuse together, that's fusion. Any one of the 6 forms of energy can be converted into another form. For example, plants capture light energy from the sun and convert it into chemical energy during the process of photosynthesis. Often a series of energy conversions is needed to do a job. For example, wind turns a wind turbine to produce mechanical energy, which activates an electrical generator to produce electricity for a radio. Objectives: identify the examples of energy conversions, discuss how energy transformations are important in everyday life, and identify conversions that take place in a series of energy transformations. Procedure: choose a sequence from the event sequence menu. That's right here. So you're going to choose a sequence by pushing on this button, and we're going to choose the first one for this one. Okay. Second, click the first event picture in the sequence to read its description. And the description of this is strong winds move a wind turbine. Decide what energy is represented by the event picture and description, and choose it from the energy menu. So the 6 show up: chemical, electrical, light, mechanical, nuclear, and thermal. In this case, we're turning a wind turbine. That is mechanical, so we're going to pick mechanical. Then we're going to pick this one. The spinning turbine operates a generator. A generator, you'll remember, creates electrical energy. So we're going to choose electrical energy. And electricity is used to power a hairdryer. Hair dryers could be either one of 2 things. It could be mechanical energy because it has a motor that turns, or it could be heat energy or thermal energy because of the hot air. I'm going to pick mechanical to start out with. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and come down here and hit check.
Check the highlighted answer and try again.
Okay, so this is incorrect. This, I picked mechanical. I'm going to go ahead and change that to thermal. And I'm going to okay, so that was correct. Thermal. So we have mechanical changing to electrical, changing to thermal. So the next thing you do is when you have the correct answer, record your findings in your table. So you're going to go to your table and you're going to hit sequence 1. You're going to put the 3 types of energy so you can come back and look at them. The first one was mechanical, electrical, and then thermal. So you, in here, you typed in mechanical, and then electrical, and then thermal. Repeat those steps for the remaining event sequences. Click the reset button to see a new set of sequences, and then complete your journal questions. Your journal questions are down here. Describe the energy conversions that take place when a flashlight is turned on. Describe the energy conversions that take place when you vigorously rub your hands together. And water is boiled, the resulting steam is blown against turbine blades. The turbine blades spin in magnetic field, producing electricity. The electricity is used to light a lamp. Describe the energy conversions needed, or as part of that. Okay, good luck. Go ahead and work on this lab for the rest of the period. It will be graded tonight, so you do need to, you have plenty of time to finish it. This period, please make sure you finish it and turn it in on Google Classroom. Thank you.